Hello Slaters, hope you all are doing well. Slaters, we have already completed exercise 2.1. Today we are going to start exercise 2.2. Let us see the first question from the reader. A bit here is write the expanded form of each. The first number is 31 lakh 24,056. Children, we have already discussed expanded form in our previous class. So what is expanded form? Expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of its digit. Remember Slaters, when we write the place values in expanded form, we should always start the digit from extreme left. Can you tell children what is the digit in extreme left? Yes, 3 is in extreme left. Can you say what is the place value of 3? Yes, the place value of 3 is 30 lakh. Next digit is 1. The place value of 1 is 1 lakh. The place value of 2 is 20,000. The place value of 4 is 4,000. The place value of 0 is 0. Children, we can skip 0 while writing expanded form. Now the place value of 5 is 50 and the place value of 6 is 6. The expanded form of the number is 30 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 50 plus 6. Children, we can also write the expanded form in one more way. That is, we can write the digit along with its place. It is 3 10 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 2 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 5 tens plus 6 units. Let us see the next question. 14 crore 70 lakh 20,000. Look at the number children. In this number, zeros are given. So, we can skip 0 while writing expanded form. Now, children, tell what is the digit in extreme left. Yes, the digit in extreme left is 1. Can you tell what is the place value of 1 in extreme left? Yes, the place value of 1 in extreme left is 10 crore. The place value of 4 is 4 crore. And the place value of 7 is 70 lakh. And the place value of 2 is 20,000. So, the expanded form is 10 crores plus 4 crore plus 70 lakh plus 20,000. Children, we can write in one more way. It is 1 10 crore plus 4 crore plus 7 10 lakh plus 2 10,000. Hope you all understood this concept. Children, our next bit is write the standard form of each. The number is given in expanded form. It is 5 lakh plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 1. Children, we have to write in standard form or short form. When we write in standard form, we have to write the value of the digit in its correct place. So, 5 should be written in lakh place, 2 in thousand place, 6 in hundred place, 1 in tens place, another one in units place. Here 10,000 places vacant. Children, can you tell what should be written in vacant place? Yes, we have to write 0 in vacant place. Now let us place comma after 3 digit from the right and next comma after every 2 digit. The standard form of the number is 5,02,611. Children, let us see the next question. The expanded form of the number is 12 crores plus 410 lakhs plus 110,000 plus 6 ones. Children, can you tell what is the highest period here? Yes, the highest period here is crore. Let us write the places first. Slaters, you know, whenever we are writing places, we have to always start from units place. Let us write units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. In the question, 12 crores are given. Can you tell where we have to write 1 and 2? Yes, 1 should be written in 10 crore place, 2 in crore place, and 4 in 10 lakh place, 1 in 10,000 place, and 6 in ones place. Here, some places are vacant. Can you tell children what we have to write in vacant places? Yes, we have to fill the vacant places with 0. Let us place comma according to the period. The first comma has to be placed after 3 digit from the right, next comma after every 2 digit. The standard form is 12 crores 40 lakh 10,006. Let us move on to our next question. It is 60 crore plus 20 plus 8. Children, can you tell which is the highest place here? Yes, the highest place here is 10 crore. Let us write the places starting from units. It is units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Can you tell children 6 is in which place? Yes, 6 is in 10 crore place. Let us write 6 in 10 crore place, 2 in tens place, 8 in units place. Now the remaining places are vacant. So what we have to do children? Yes, we have to fill the remaining places with 0. The standard form of the number is 60 crore 28. Children, hope you all understood it, how to write the expanded form in short form. Children, let us move on to the next bit, that is C bit. Write the predecessor of each number. The number is 69 lakh 5,070. Slaters, what is predecessor? Yes, the number that comes just before the given number is called its predecessor. We can find predecessor by subtracting 1 from the given number. Remember children, as 1 is a single digit number, write 1 in units place and then subtract it. Therefore, predecessor of 69 lakh 5,070 is 69 lakh 5,069. Children, let us see the next number. The next number is 1 crore. Can you tell how to find the predecessor of 1 crore? Yes, we have to subtract 1 from 1 crore. Children, one more simple way is we can replace all the zeros with 9 and write the predecessor of 1, that is 0. Children, as 0 has no value before the number, we can ignore it. And we have to write the predecessor of 1 crore as 99,99,999. Children, hope you all understood how to write the predecessor. Let us move on to the next bit, that is debit. Write the successor of each number. The number is 38,10,309. Slaters, what is successor? Successor is the number that comes just after the given number. To find successor, we have to add 1. When we add 1 to 38,10,309, we get the successor as 38,10,310. Children, whenever we are adding 1, we have to write 1 in units place and then add. Okay children, let us see the next number. The next number is 5 crore 29 lakh 79,499. Children, can you tell how to find the successor? Yes, we have to add 1 to the given number. 5 crore 29 lakh 79,499 plus 1, the successor is 5 crore 29 lakh 79,500. Hope you all understood how to find the successor of the given number. Children, let us move on to EBIT. The question is compare each pair of numbers. Slaters, pair means 2. Here 2 numbers are given and we have to find which is greater and which is smaller. We can put less than or greater than symbol for comparison. The first question given is 9 crore 65 lakh 43,219. We have to compare with 96 lakh 89,219. Let us see how many digits are there in each number. The first number has 8 digits and the other number has 7 digits. So we can say 8 digit number is greater than 7 digit number. Therefore, 9 crore 65 lakh 43,219 is greater than 96 lakh 89,219. Let us move on to the next number. It is 1 crore 50 lakh 9. We have to compare with 1 crore 50 lakh 109. First step is we have to see the number of digits. Both the number has equal number of digits. So we have to compare the highest place. Here crore, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000 places are equal in both the numbers. Let us compare 100 place. So 0 is less than 1. We can say 1 crore 50 lakh 9 is less than 1 crore 50 lakh 109. Hope you all understood how to compare two given numbers. Are you all ready to solve few problems on your own? Good. Now note down the homework questions in your notebook. Exercise 2.1. First question is write the expanded form. Next question is write the standard form. C bit is write predecessor of each. D bit is write the successor of each. And the last bit E is compare each pair of number. Thank you, Slater.